Hello and welcome to Trading with Rob. I am Rob and this is my daily market summary for the DAX on Wednesday, the 1st of October 2025. So to start off with the day, overall I saw it as a bull trend channel. We had a gap down from yesterday's close shown by the red line of about 85-ish points to today's open shown by the dash green line. We also have yesterday's open, yesterday's high on this chart, as well as the 5-minute 20 period EMA on the 5-minute time period as the solid blue line, and the 20 period 60-minute EMA as the dashed blue line. So to start off the day, after our gap down, we had a couple of consecutive bear bars, but the large tail below the first bear bar indicated that there were some buyers below, and the second bar was pretty much an inside bar of the first bar, suggesting trading range price action, breakout mode, and the potential to go higher. Then had a small double top, double bottom, trading range price action through the opening few bars, continued up to the 5-minute EMA, which then formed a small wedge pullback where we might possibly expect a second leg down from the breakout caused by the gap down. This, from the bottom of the low of the day, is about a 50% move combined with the gap down. So this might be the start of a could potentially have been the start of a second leg down. Obviously it wasn't. We then had consecutive strong bull bars breaking above the 5-minute EMA and the 60-minute EMA, and it became part of a steep, strong microchannel of 6 bars, but this itself was a 3-bar bull microchannel setup. So highly likely to have higher prices, lead to higher prices, and for the first pullback to be minor, which is what we saw. On a smaller timescale, this is probably a 2-leg pullback after this strong channel up. It's testing the 60-minute EMA, so, and it's around the yesterday's high, yesterday's close, so resistance above, obvious point for some resistance. We can then create a bull channel line from the lows, the higher lows of the first 3 pushes up, I suppose, and extrapolate that forward. Obviously it made contact later in the day. You can also drag this across to the highs to get an idea of what the channel looks like, and also can develop a measured move target based on the first 6-bar bull microchannel, which is where the channel started to pause. We had the parabolic wedge top, very strong move up, so likely to be a minor pullback. Obviously the market moved sideways towards the EMA for a few hours, forming another shallow wedge. Consecutive wedges now, more likely to be a significant pullback at this stage, and then a triangle, small triangle, down to the 5-minute EMA, where there was a couple of consecutive bear bars breaking out below both the triangle and the EMA, but the 50% of triangle breakouts normally fail in reverse, and this is the first closes of since earlier in the day, more than 20 bars above the 5-minute EMA. So likely to find buyers below, and on a two-legged pullback to the channel line testing towards the 60-minute EMA, buyers were found and the market crossed back above the 5-minute EMA, and after consecutive strong bull bars breaking above the EMA, it's another 3-bar bull micro channel. It's breaking above the prices, price consolidation to the left, so strong move up, likely to lead to higher prices, and after a spike up had another relatively strong wedge top. So again, the pullback is likely, any pullback is likely to be minor at this stage. We did get a two-leg pullback to the EMA late in the day for another bounce at the EMA to form a higher double top, closing very close to the high of the day. So a strong bull trend day for the 1st of October. For the best buys and sells, stop orders. On the first wedge pullback to the 5-minute EMA, could have possibly been setting up for a second leg down based on the height from the yesterday's close to the low of the day. So I thought reasonable to short below. Obviously didn't go very far. Once consecutive bull bars start to form, it's a good idea to get long. Can buy all the way up as long as strong bull bars are still being created. And then once we've got the small triangle here, selling a bear breakout is reasonable, but possibly only for a scalp. Once it starts to turn at support of the channel line and the 60-minute EMA, want to start looking for longs above strong bull bars, and that can continue, especially once there's consecutive strong bull bars breaking above the EMA, being a 3-bar bull microchannel, and with the addition that is breaking above the prior highs of the day, continue buying higher and looking to buy even if there's a minor pullback. Don't necessarily want to short it after such a strong leg up, and then looking for a continuation of the trend into the close of the day. So overall, everything on the charts. I'd like to thank you for your interest, and if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. Thanks for watching.